What's up, man? What's up, man? Man, how much for a collab, man? How much for a collab, man? Yeah, how much? Yeah, man. How the red eye treat you? They really that fast for real?
That done crazy. You like that?
SRT free ain't shit.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money. But niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they move. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major. Because I got all the trumpet. Nigga, they call me a band director the way I swing the stick.
This up T-Bree, man. Excuse me. What's up? Let's see, that's a T-Bree, man. 220 on the dad, man. 220 on the dad. What's up?
Who charging this is? Anybody know?
Nope. She stuck, man. It's over. You know what I'm saying? She stuck, man. She might go ahead and get up. That boy Camakat, boy. What the? That's all hard, boy. That bit hard. That bit hard, man. Like Camakat, I'll go check out Camakat, man. That bit hard. That bit hard. That boy Camakat, man. What's up, man? Woo. What's going on, man? That bit hard, man. That bit hard. Camakat, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Woo. You gonna do something tonight, man? You gonna do something tonight, man? Camakat, man. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't know he was coming, boy. I ain't even know he was coming. Yeah, what's up, man?
I be watching your shit, bro.
Oh yeah, but I ain't know he was coming. What's up, man? What's going on with you? What Trey got one top spinning. That boy got one top spinning, Trey. Oh, he hit that bit? He almost hit that bit. He almost hit that pole, boy. No. He almost hit it. I saw that. He only burned one time. Oh, no, he did. Hey, at least it was just a little tap.
Hellcat gotta buy new tires.
He got one tire. That was crazy. Damn, bro, he barely tapped that. He lucky he did that. That's just crazy. I ain't gonna lie, man. He boy lit out here, man. Hold on. He boy lit out here, boy. I ain't gonna cap. That boy Willie, go out there and burn one. Just like 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Where we at? What's fine ass at?
She over there. That man here. She over there.
Take me to her.
Bro, she's like in between all these folks standing over there. Standing right there. She's still in the car. Excuse me. I already seen her, but she over there to the left. Oh, my bad. What's going on, bro? What's going on, man? It's you caught me while I recorded. What's going on? A little door right now, though.
real nice shit.
Oh yeah, real nice. Tell them about that barbershop though. Tell them about that barbershop.
Bro, come forward with me. Tell me about Jane. Follow me on the ground. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Channel too, man.
Oh yeah, man. For real. On me.
Yes, sir, that way.
What you gotta say, man? Yes, sir.
Best drive I know.
Camakat, man. It been hard, boy. That boy blew up fast, man. You. I watched you had about 8K, man. You blew up quick, man. By 8K. By 8K. You blowing up quick.
I got hit tired too.
I was just watching when you and Lynn Stoner drive that bitch the other day.
Oh, me. The hell of time. Stoner was driving that bitch.
Stoner was ready to go anywhere and let that bitch loose.
On me. You look, he was scared.
Cal said, you gotta chill, we gotta find us a spot.
He tried to play it safe out there, bitch. Try to play it safe out there.
Cal said, we gotta find us a spot.
Hey, what they got y'all tracked in? That Josh? Oh, boy. Oh, yeah.
I watch you say the 392. I watch you say that 392,
What's going on, man?
Good.
That's
He boy down here, I
here.
seen it.
I didn't know you were here, man. That crazy as hell, boy. Everybody out there, bitch.
That's crazy.
SRT Bree, man.
SRT Bree.
What's going on, Bree? On me.
You see me? What's all this?
On me. On me, yeah. Bro, for real, he think I'm playing by Collab, bro. I'm not playing, bro. I want to like really, I want to be on his channel though. Not him be on mine. Yeah, on me. He already got it. That's how he get we at. Josh Laurent, man. I never thought I'd see him in person, bro. That bitch look way taller in videos. That's crazy. This bitch hard, man. Oh, I gotta get a picture. I got a cap.
Over black.
Oh, the black, man, no. Man.
Over black.
Bro, I think you just gave away a scat, man. Come on now.
That nigga did get away with a scat, man.
Straight like that, you get a 2-point study.
Alright, get mine too, though. I got. Hold on, get mine. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
What's going on, John, man? What's up with you? Good, bro.
Hey, no, I need me a shout out for you talking about on my own channel.
Oh, me.
Fuck his ugly ass camera. Tell them niggas subscribe to Kayla World, man. Hey, SRT, now hold on, I'm getting the intro. Hey, tell them folks, subscribe to Kayla World. Hey, drop around, let them niggas know.
Yeah, man, let them niggas know, man.
Yes!
Yeah! That boy verified. That boy verified. That bitch verified. That nigga dumb.
Y'all not tell me how to drive that motherfucker.
Hey, what one of y'all got the? One of y'all got the?
How you let that red out, man? How that red out treat you? It really that fast for real?
That junk crazy. I think I got a factory freak though.
Factory freak.
You know what I'm saying?
That bitch fast though.
Yeah, it's
That bitch
crazy.
fast. He got more culture on the races though now.
I was recording with one hand. I had to get serious. You see, that's when it switched to the GoPro. You know?
Oh yeah, that GoPro. You got right. On it.
You like that?
Let me go sell my soul to Bree.
That bitch funny. But chill out, bro. Whoa. You really is. You really is. Man, so who gonna rate those?
Hey, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.
Ooh.
We lit, man.
Ooh. Yes, sir. That boy not playing.
Hey, Bree.
Look at him, man. You trying to make me be your cameraman, man.
I ordered one. This nigga ain't never come in. Like,
But I'm gonna be your cameraman forever. I got one of my hand got a wrist. Oh. You gotta get in there.
oh, she's rolling.
Oh, not the Android.
You wanna do a video?
Yeah.
What we doing? What we saying?
You can shot me out, you know.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. I only got 12, so you know,
And I had 12 on one time. So like, what you put on your channel?
Oh, you know what I'm saying? It was a question, but we switching that shit up. You know, I just got me a little essay. This shit fast, yeah.
You gotta make it fast. You got shit on your
Make it fast, man.
You got shit on
Make it fast,
You
man.
gotta make it fast.
Make it fast.
Demonte?
Yeah.
Oh, he on his way here?
Yeah, I went to school with bro.
Oh, for real?
You got a flash on?
Yeah, it should be on, bro.
Yeah, we out here with SRT3, man. This middle Georgia line.
And
So, like, are y'all gonna start swinging or no?
Boy, he was going dumb. Boy, he was going dumb, boy.
I love it. I
Boy.
love the girl that can drive, bro.
Ooh, that's a girl?
Wait a minute.
That's a girl?
Just slinging that.
That's a girl? Hell no. That can't even be no girl, boy. On me, that's not no girl, boy. That's a girl? That's a girl? Boy, what the fuck? Hey, boy, what the? Boy, what the hell? That's a girl? Boy, I thought that was a, what? Yeah. She was slanging that. That ain't true. Look at that.
Hey, you just slid the
Right.
fuck out that motherfucker.
Or me. Hey, man. For real.
Ain't nothing like a
Hey,
baby that can
watch out.
drive.
What, boy? What? Hey. Hey. Hey, you did good.
Miss Carrie G, no breeze. What's her name? We can say this for 15 pounds.
Big Carrie G, that's crazy. Them a hard wide body. That's crazy, dog. Female going crazy with it.
Shit was brand new.
That ain't one, bro.
That bitch did a long game. I thought it was brand new. Nah.
But you know you spending one?
It did a long game for
You spending one?
Let me get on
I'm talking about when you was like right here, you spending one.
No. Trash. Let me see. I'm gonna get off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get 2 more.
Man, this time still got trash.
Yeah, no, I'm saying that ain't.
You better go now.
Yeah.
Cause by the time you get out, it can be 10.
I gotta make it.
Well, how far is it?
5 miles.
You gotta drive slow as hell, bro. You gotta drive slow as hell. Bro, don't go no faster than about 35, but really 30, really. Yeah, just go drive slow. That boy Trey had to turn up, bro. That'd be hard. What you gotta say?
Vibes, you know what I'm saying?
You know what that I can't do that for somebody. Yo,
That boy Corey beat. That boy Corey beat. That's up.
SRT free ain't shit. Jesus Christ.
But we came outside today.
Come on, tell the people, make some. Ooh. Red good.
Oh, you finna spin? Oh no. Not today.
You finna go, man?
Hey, we got a top shot down here, man. We got a top shot down here. Hey, that girl be spinning on shit. What her name is? Yeah, I know she
Yeah, she hard. She hard.
Hey, where she from?
She from.
You been still?
Oh yeah, bro, you too, man.
Nah, he ain't gonna spin. What the hell he finna get out? You get through? No. Oh, he's gonna stop waiting.
Well, that be loud, man. Yeah, man. As y'all can see, man, we out here lit, man. We real like lit. SRT Bree pulled up, Camakat, Laurent, man. I never thought I'd be able to like, you know what I'm saying, beat them one day, man. But hopefully, man, y'all people see me call, man, get my name out there, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm trying to get big. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, bro. Going up all 2021, 2022, so on and so forth like that, man. Y'all boy get right. My fault, I ain't even know, my bad. Y'all get right though, man. Y'all need to get right. You really out here getting right though. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of cars out here, man. There's a lot of cars out there, man. Baby over there though. Real clean, man. I ain't even parked my car before I can see it for real. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that mud hard, what? Yes, sir. Yeah, Bree. Oh, yeah, Bree. Oh, yeah, Bree. So me saying. That bitch so hard, boy. Yes, sir, man. Well, you like it cold, boy? You cold? That bit hard. Boy, that bit hard, boy. That bit hard, boy. That bit hard, boy. That bit. I should have been came up here. That's how we coming, man. Yes, sir.
I thought a nigga who walk with a list, but he can't get his bitch back saying something.
Why you ain't popping nothing, man? Why you ain't making no flames or nothing?
It ain't right. It still ain't right.
What wrong with it?
I need some injectors now.
What, you broke it? Well, you just won't do it?
Still fixing it.
Oh. So what it mean? Like, what, it ain't at its full potential for real? What you got coming in, bro? I know you got a whole list. I heard you got a whole little list.
I gotta get some injectors.
That's it? That's all you need? Okay. Woo. I kind of miss my Mustang now, though. I had one just like this. It's been hard, though, bro. Wasn't it gold? What's up? They were always black. The hood, right? Yeah. Oh, your wheels gold. I'm tripping. What's up, man? I'm surprised you even came, man. You don't never come nowhere, bro. That nigga don't never go nowhere, man. What's up with him?
You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow me at YVNGSHINE. Boy,
yes,
Young
sir.
Shot.
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Right here. Woo. Coming, bud. Well, you know we're coming. Yeah, man. As y'all can see, man, we pretty much wrap for the video. Thank you for watching, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, bro. We're going up all 2020, 2021, 2022. Oh, I'm tripping. All 2021, 2022, 2023, so on and so forth like that, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. I done met a lot of YouTubers that I ain't think I was gonna meet today, man. It's a blessing in itself, man. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, that footage get out there. Y'all rock with me. On the road to 2K. They get lit. Police done came. You know what I'm saying? Police done came. They ain't really doing nothing, you know they came though. It took them a long time, but they came. Well, yeah, man. We gone. We out here, like I said at the end of my video. Like I said at the end of my video, man, if you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, make sure you do that milestone, man. Do that goal. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do, what you can do. You can do it. Just keep your mind focused, man. Trust the process. Stay true to yourself. Always keep faith, man. Keep faith, man. I'm telling you, man, you're gonna get there. I proved myself wrong. Y'all gotta do it too, man. Real talk. But also, man, like I said in my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.